I'm Elizabeth. I'm one of the counselors at Collin College, and today I wanted to demonstrate how to connect with your counselor on Doxy.me, which is the system that we're using for virtual counseling. It's really easy. You don't need any special technology or equipment besides a camera and a microphone, which should already be on your computer. You can do this from either your phone, your tablet, or your computer. So I'll go ahead and share my screen with you. And this is how it works. So you'll go to a new page. You'll type in the website that's provided to you by your counselor or by our administrative staff. And you'll want to use either Google Chrome or Firefox. It'll work best on those. And once this pops up, you can go ahead and type your name in and check in. And that way your counselor will know that you're there and you're waiting, and they will be able to connect with you right away. So as you can see, mine is not working, and that's because I already have my camera going for this video. But basically that's all that it would typically take, and you'd be able to be connected to your counselor right away. If you do have any issues with that, do a pre-call test. There's a little button at the bottom left that says pre-call test, and you can check to make sure your camera is working, your microphone is working. But typically it will be very simple. This is HIPAA compliant, it's secure, and your counselor will do everything they can to make sure they're in a private room and there are no distractions around, and you can do the same. What else? Make sure your Wi-Fi connection is strong and that you're close to your router for the best chance of it working well. But during this time, it's really important that you do keep up with your counseling if you were receiving counseling services before the pandemic started. It's going to be more important than ever that we all take care of our mental health, counselors included, and so we need to do what we can to, maintain our typical routine. So if you have a history of any anxiety or depression, bipolar disorder, anything like that, make sure that you are checking in with your counselor, that you are keeping up with your sessions.